Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. In this time, I would like to describe software. The name is Brackets. Let's start it. We open the shortcut. Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Rio Setiawan. I'm from 11 2A7. I'm from Nusa State. And let's start it. This is brackets. Bracket editor is a code editor specifically developed for a web design and front-end development purpose. Project Brackets is created by Adobe, open source and developed. Bracket is a code editor application that focuses on programming language. The first language is HTML. HTML is an abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language, which is a standard programming language used to create web and everything, which can then be accessed to display various information. HTML can also be used as a link between files on the site and computer localhost. Or that link that connects it in the internet world. In order to produce an interactive display from hypertext formatting is written in a SG format file so that it becomes a web page with HTML commands. HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a protocol used to transfer data or document to HTML format from a web server to web browser, which HTTP is possible to read. And number two is CSS. CSS, design programming language that are usable for simplifying the website creation process. CSS is programming language used to design the front page or listening. CSS handles the look and feel of web pages. There are many things you can do using CSS compared to core programming language like HTML and PHP. There are many things you can do using CSS compared to core programming language like HTML, and PHP. When using CSS, you can set text color and font type and lighting. When you use brackets, this is an advantage of bracket you need to know. One, live HTML develop. It always boring to reload a browser page to see changes that need not to be much. Now with this app or now with these brackets, you can immediately see the result of changing into the word even without having to save first for more details. Number two, just debugging with tests. Brackets use texts for JavaScript inception and debugging. So this will make easier for you to expect variables and control flow would be even essential. Number three, project insert breakers. To edit your own code using brackets, you can directly open the folder that contains your file. Bracket treats you currently opened folder as project features a code behind direct review and quick edit only. Use file in the file in the number four, fast edit for CSS and JavaScript. No need to bother moving from one document to another when editing HTML. Use the command prompt or Control E shortcut to open quick edit that display the output. Number 5, this is the review HTML and CSS change directly in the browser. Do you know about the save on reload technique we often do? Where do we change the file and then we save it, then move it to the browser and load the page to see the result? With brackets, you don't need to do it anymore. Brackets will open a direct connection to your browser and update HTML and CSS directly. Even as you type, maybe you have already done with the graphics from a browser, but with the brackets, you no longer need to copy the browser back to the editor. Your code run in browser, but still in your editor. Number 6, directly highlight HTML and CSS rules. Bracket make it easy if you to see how change in HTML and CSS that you have make will affect this display. When your cursor is on the CSS rules, brackets will highlight an element and affected in the browser the same. Within the editing at the HTML like this is a support directly, but we hope profit to this future to the all browser in the future. Number 7 is the quick review. Quick review for the stuff you won't have memorized the RGB and HEX values of color. With brackets, you can easily and quickly see what colors are being used. In CSS or HTML, place the cursor over the color of gradient value and brackets will display the color of gradients automatically. Same with image. Place the cursor over the image link in the brackets editor and display thumbnail of the image. You want the other features? Add the extension. In addition to the core feature brackets, we have a growing community to extension developers who have made hundreds of very useful extensions. If you need a feature that is not brackets, it's like let's into the brackets app. This is have 7 menu. The first one is file, like common, new, open folder for open region, close out, save file. Like preview is yeah, like I introduced now. Edit same. Yeah, this is menu edit, and this is menu find. This is menu view. This is menu navigate. This is debug menu, and this help. And in this next, you can work from order. Like I working 6 file in the same, and you can open the folder in this is, and you can see the folder on it. This is a very enjoying. This is enjoying app for your design your website. Okay. Okay, I think enough for my description about brackets. If I have a mistake, I forgive to you. Good morning, everybody. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.